Need cash fast? Get quick hassle-free loans with no hidden fees. Whether it's an unexpected expense or an urgent bill, our fast loan advances offer you the funds you need in record time. Apply now and experience a smooth, transparent process with flexible repayment options. Don't let financial stress hold you back. Get the support you need today. So hey guys, and welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can loan money on Fast Loan Advance. So first of all you have to do is open your web browser and dive into Fast Loan Advance. So we have here various websites explain how it works with Fast Loan Advance. We have the first one, Reddit. We have also here Outlook, we have back Reddit, and we have here the official page of Fast Loan Advance. So what is Fast Loan Advance? A Fast Loan Advance is designed to provide immediate financial relief for urgent needs. It offers quick access to funds with a streamlined application process, often without lengthy paperwork, ideal for unexpected expenses or emergencies. These loans come with flexible terms and fast approval, helping you address urgent financial needs efficiently. So as you can see, if we click over here, this is the home page. We have here various information about. You can just write it like your phone number, then your email address, and you choose how much do you need here, as you can see. And right now I will show you how you can use a loan advance. Typically involves a few straightforward steps. So the first step is assess your need. So you determine how much money you need and for what purpose. This will help you choose the right loan amount and type. Then we have research lenders. Find reputable lenders that offer fast loan advances. Compare interest rates, fees, and terms to find the best option for you. Then we have apply online or in person. Complete the application process. You'll usually need to provide personal information, proof of income, and details about your financial situation. Some lenders allow you to apply online for quicker processing. Then we have review terms. Carefully read the loan agreement, including interest rates, repayment terms, and any fees. Make sure you understand the total cost of the loan and the repayment schedule. Then we have receive funds. If approved, you'll receive the funds quickly, often within 24 hours. The money is usually deposited directly into your bank account. Then we have repay the loan. Follow the repayment schedule outlined in your agreement. Make payments on time to avoid penalties and maintain a good credit history. And we have the last one, it's monitor your finances by receiving the loan. Keep track of your spending and financial situation to ensure you can manage your payments without additional stress. So by following these steps, you can effectively use a fast loan advance to address your immediate financial needs. So right now I will give you some benefits of a fast loan advance and how we choose this one, no other one. I have the first thing, it's quick access to funds. Fast Loan Advance provide rapid access to money, often within 24 hours, which is ideal for urgent financial needs or emergencies. Then we have simple application process. The application process is usually straightforward and may be completed online, saving time and reducing paperwork. Then we have flexibility. Many fast loans offer flexible payment terms and amounts, allowing you to choose options that fit your financial situation. Then we have no collateral required. Often these loans are unsecured, meaning you don't need to provide collateral to get approved. Then we have convenience. Funds are typically deposited directly into your bank account, making it easy to access and use the money. Then we have the last one, it's credit building opportunities. If you make timely payments, it can positively impact your credit score, demonstrating responsible borrowing behavior. Then we have transparent terms. Many lenders provide clear and upfront information about interest rates, fees, and repayment terms, helping you make informed decisions. Then we have the last one, it's immediate relief. fast loans can help you address urgent financial issues such as medical expenses, car repairs, or unexpected bills, providing immediate relief and peace of mind. Then we have here some advice to manage the fast loan advance effectively. We have the first one, it's only borrow what you need. So you borrow only the amount necessary to cover your immediate expense. Over borrowing can lead to higher repayment amounts and financial strain. Then we have understand the terms. Carefully review the loan terms, including interest rates, fees, and repayment schedule. Ensure you understand the total cost of the loan and any potential penalties for late payments. Then we have plan for repayment. Develop a clear plan for how you will repay the loan, budget for monthly payments, and ensure you have the means to meet them without compromising your essential expenses. Then we have avoid multiple loans. Try to avoid taking out multiple fast loans at once, as this can lead to financial trouble and difficulty managing repayments. Then we have check your credit. Review your credit report before applying for a loan. A good credit score can help you secure better terms and lower interest rates. And also we have consider alternatives. If possible, explore other financing options such as personal saving, borrowing from friends or family, or other types of credit with better terms. Then we have keep track of spending. Use the funds wisely, to your budget, and avoid unnecessary expenditures to ensure you can comfortably repay the loan. Then we have be cautious with lenders, choose reputable lenders and avoid those with hidden fees or predatory practices. Verify their legitimacy and read customer reviews if available. And moreover we have plan for emergencies. If you frequently find yourself in need of fast loans, consider setting up an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses in the future. Then we have monitor your financial health. Regularly review your financial situation and loan status to stay on top of your obligation and make adjustments if needed. So by following these steps, you can use a fast loan advance more effectively and avoid potential pitfalls. So using a fast loan advance can be a practical solution for urgent financial needs, offering quick access to funds with minimal paperwork. To maximize its benefits, borrow only what you need, thoroughly understand the loan terms, and plan for timely repayment. Always choose reputable lenders and consider alternative options when possible. By managing the loan wisely and staying on top of your finances, you can address immediately expenses while maintaining financial stability. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.